Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you an easy step on how to create desktop shortcuts in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to proceed at our start icon, tap on it, and here we need to proceed on the option called all. So the moment you have click on it, you would be able to see a list of the application or file folder available to your Windows or computer or that is present in your Windows or computer. So let's say we want to add the Photos app in our desktop shortcut. So when we try to do a right click here, okay, and when we go with more, and when we click on pin to taskbar, it is being placed aligning the taskbar and not in the desktop okay screen. So we hate it to be like that. Okay. So we just have to click on it to remove the such and pin from taskbar. And when we need to navigate the same, and that is to go with the start icon again, go with all. Okay. And you just have to scroll down again and go for it. Okay. So all you need to do is you need to press and hold the left click in your mouse pad again. Press and hold the left click in your mouse pad and drag the cursor here at the desktop. The moment you will release that, there you have it. You have just successfully add a desktop shortcut here in your Windows 11. Okay, let's try again. So navigate here at the start icon, tap on it, go with all options, click on it, and try to scroll down and try to navigate here at the camera and do a left click again, press and hold it and locate your cursor here, drag your cursor to the desktop and release it. Okay, in that manner, you have just successfully add another shortcut here in the desktop screen. Okay, that's how easy actually to add a shortcut here in the desktop. So this is good, especially when we try to access an application easily in our window. So by a single tap or yes, by a single click, you would be able to open such application. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.